Welcome to my video. Previously, I explained about nitrogen cycle. Today, I will explain about structure of ecosystem. So, structure of ecosystem. First of all, what is ecosystem? Ecosystem nothing but structural and functional unit of the ecology. So, ecology is a study of interaction between organisms and ecosystems. So ecosystem actually it is a ecological system. It is reduced by some scientists and these were given by A.G. Townsley. A.G. Townsley in 1935. So ecosystem it is two types. Structurally based on nutrients it is two types. How ecosystem occupy and how ecosystem functioning and structurally two types, that is one is abiotic factors. Abiotic factors are substances. Second one, biotic factors are components. Biotic factors also we call components or factors. So abiotic factors. So abiotic factors nothing but non-living things. Simply factors here. Abiotic means non-living. Biotic means living. So abiotic here, these are two types. One is climatic factors. Climatic factors. Second, these are edaphic factors. Edaphic factors. So climatic means climate level. Edaphic means generally soil, pH, minerals, like that, and topography, how they are showing. So these are the edaphic factors: soil, pH, minerals, and topography. But here climatic factors, climate level, we know that water, rainwater, and air, light, and temperature. Pressure also. So here rainwater, air, light, temperature, pressure, soil, pH all are helping for biotic factors. At the same time biotic factor depending on abiotic depending on biotic. So here interdependence each other. First here biotic factors, these are all three types. These are all three types. One is producers, second consumers, third one decomposers. Producers, consumers, and decomposers. So producers, what do you mean by producer? Producer also called as autotrophs. Also called as autotrophs. Producers nothing but organisms which are preparing food by own, by the helping carbon dioxide, water, sunlight, food will come. That is C6H12O6. The process is called photosynthesis process. In that photosynthesis process, they are depending on air, it means carbon dioxide. They are depending on light. They are depending on soil, they are depending on water, all type of materials is depending producer. So that's why abiotic and biotic interdependence. So here producers get energy from the light directly. That's why they are occupying the trophic level number 1. Trophic level number 1 in the food chain. Why? Because food chain start with always producers. Second one, consumers, which are using. Consumers are again, these are 4 types. Consumers are 4 types. One is primary consumer. Primary consumers. Second one, secondary consumers. Secondary consumers. And third one, tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers, and last fourth one, quaternary consumer. So here, first primary consumer. These primary consumers are depending on producers. Animals, nothing but depending on producers for the food. That's why they are called herbivores. They are also called as herbivores. These animals are eating only plant material. Which animals are eating only plant material? They are called herbivores. We know example, for example here, goat. Here examples change. For example, our land level goat, forest level deer, desert level camel. So here example, wild ecosystems, terrestrial ecosystem, desert ecosystem, marine ecosystem, freshwater ecosystem, our house ecosystem. Based on ecosystem, here examples will change. I am saying here only common ecosystem. So example goat, you may write here so many grass, goat, deer, rabbit, giraffe, lion, elephant, so many are there. Next, secondary consumers. Secondary consumers feeding on herbivores. It means they are also called as carnivores. Which carnivores? Primary carnivores. Generally, carnivores means which animals are feeding only animal material, they should call carnivores. So, in according to food chain, secondary consumers are occupied position primary carnivores. That's why they are called trophic level number here 3. This one 2. These are 3. Trophic level in the food chain, producers number 1, primary consumers number 2, herbivores, and primary carnivores number 3. Trophic level 3. Next one, tertiary consumers. Tertiary consumers nothing but top carnivores. These are also carnivores, but top carnivores. Carnivores here 2 types, top and primary. Top carnivores, these are eating sometimes primary carnivores and they are sometimes eating primary consumers. That's why they are top. Here example, tiger, lion, cheetah, vulture, hawk. Here primary carnivores means frog, snake, fox, dog, like that animals here come. But finally, quaternary consumers, also called as omnivores. Omnivores. Omnivores nothing but animals which are feeding both the materials, either plant material or animal material. They are called omnivores. Example, best example, human beings, sparrow, cockroaches, dogs, like animals. Which animals are both the material, either plant material or animal material. Next, last one, decomposers. The decomposers are nothing but organisms which are feeding on after dying. It means producers, all type of consumers, one day will die. So the decomposers are attack the dead bodies of the plants and animals for the decaying of matter. Example, fungi and bacteria. These fungi and bacteria are, while attacking the dead bodies, at that time water and carbon dioxide releasing into the environment. This carbon dioxide and water again using by producers. So the decomposers are play a major role in the ecosystem. Without decomposers, the producers can't survive in the ecosystem. Generally, we can say producers are main, producers are preparing food by own. That is very right. But without decomposers, there is no producers also here compulsory. So producers depending on indirectly decomposers. These are also called as saprophytes. Saprophytes. These are also called as saprophytes, fungi and bacteria. Here human being, dog, sparrow. Here lion, tiger. Here frog, snakes. Here goat, deer, elephant, giraffe, like that. Here all green plants. All green plants. So here based on trophic level in the food chain number 1, number 2, number 3 and number, these are the 4 are top. 4 are top. These are the completely one is a general ecosystem or common ecosystem or normal structure of ecosystem. Why? Because ecosystem there are so many types are there. Freshwater ecosystem, marine water ecosystem, desert ecosystem, grassland ecosystem, non-nervous system. That's why this is a common phenomena. Abiotic factors and biotic factors. Without non-living things depending on living things, living things depending on non-living things. That's why ecosystem always same. Thank you for watching this video.